This is a review of the Hampton Bay Mena 54-inch ceiling fan. You can use it indoor as well as covered outdoor. And that's what I've done. I've installed it in our back patio. And it's a great looking fan. Really sleek and modern. I like it a lot. It matches our lamp as well. So I'll just grab the remote control, turn it on for you. Nice little compact remote. Just press on off once. The LEDs indicate what speed it's running at, so 3 is full speed. I can turn the lights on as well. And in case you're wondering, this is advertised as color changing. That doesn't mean multicolors, it just means that you can cycle through 3 choices of color temperature. So this is the daylight setting, which means it's the whitest. That's the warm white setting. And this is the middle setting, which is, I think, 3000K. So the box also claims that it's 50% faster to install than a typical fan. And I've installed a ton of fans. I wouldn't say it's 50% faster. The main saving in time is that the blades just click in, so you don't have to screw them in. Most fans, each blade is held in with 3 screws, and that takes some time. So that's why they're saying it's time saving. Apparently this piece, the mounting bracket, slides on. I didn't realize that when I installed it, so that didn't really save me any time. But pretty cool fan, very happy with it. Good price. I paid $150. Got it at Home Depot. Oh, there's one other thing. The light kit, which is the thing at the very bottom of the fan, that's held on by magnets. And so you might be wondering, well, is that safe? It seems really strong, but there's also a little piece of wire as a sort of backup. So if the magnets ever did fail, don't worry, the lamp isn't going to collapse on you. It's going to be held on. That's it. Hampton Bay Mena 54-inch LED fan. Thanks for watching.